Happy morning, children. I'm Brinda ma'am, your science ma'am. Welcome to science class. I hope all of you fine, safe at your home. Okay, previous class we discussed about the topic measurement. In this we saw the measuring tools and some units. Next one, temperature. Okay. Let's us move on. Next topic, electric current. Dr. Thomas Edison introduced by electric current. What is electric current? Electric current is the rate of flow of electrons in a conductor. The SI units of electric current is the ampere. How the fan will work? The fan will work by using the current. In every day we have used these electric things or fan and light. It is most important for our daily life. Electric current denoted by I. See the picture. Flow of electric charge in a particular direction is known as electric current. The magnitude of electric current is the amount of electric charge following through a conductor in a 1 second. Electric current denoted by I, amount of electric charge by time. Electric current represented by I, charge Q, time T. SI units of electric current, ampere. Electric charge is measured in coulomb. The SI units of electric current is ampere and it's denoted as A. If 1 coulomb of charge is following through a conductor in 1 second, then the amount of current flowing is said to be 1 ampere. Ampere is the device used to measure electronic current. Before we know about the electric charge, all the fundamental quantities or particles are made up on atoms. It has two different kinds of charge, positive and negative. Electricity with attractive and repulsive force need two kind of charges. Electronic charge is measured in coulombs. C. Properties of electric charge. Two kind of charges occur in nature, like charger repel one another and unlike charge attract and one another. C. A flow of electric charge in a particular direction is known as electric current. An ammeter is a measuring device used to measure the electric current in a circuit. Amount of current flowing in the circuit. You know coulomb per second, definition of ampere. If 1 coulomb of charge is following through a conductor in 1 second, then the amount of current flowing is to be 1 ampere. Electric current equal to charge by time. See small activity. Connect a battery and ammeter and a lamp in series as shown in the figure. Note the ammeter reading. It is the amount of current following in the circuit. Electric charge is measured by coulombs. C. 1 coulomb equal to 6.25 10 power 18 electrons. 1 coulomb is equal to the amount of charge from a current of 1 ampere flowing for 1 second. Now see the small problem. If 2 coulomb of charge flow through a circuit for 10 seconds, calculate the current. solution charge electric charge q equal to 2 coulomb time t equal to 10 seconds. Okay, electric current I equal to electric charge q bar time equal இந்த இடத்துல என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க electric charge 2 bar time 10 seconds. Okay, equal to 0.2 ampere. Next one, amount of substance. Amount of substance is a measure of the number of entities, particles present in a substance. The entity may be an atom, molecules, ion, electron and proton. One atom containing 3 charges, electron negative charges, proton positive charges, neutron neutral charge. Generally, the amount of substance is directly proportional to the number of atoms or molecules. Example, can you count the number of copper coins in the picture? 1, 2, 3, 4. We count them easily, but can you count the number of copper atoms in a coin? It is very difficult to count the number of atoms because they are not visible. The number of atoms molecules in a substance is measured in mole. It is a SI unit. Mole is defined as the amount of substance which contain 6.023 in 10 to the power 23 entities. It is denoted as mole. The number 6.023 in 10 to the power 23 is also known as a Avogadro number. Next one, luminous intensity. See this picture. First one, candle. Second one, lantern. Third one, light. And fourth one, LED. All of you know day-to-day life is very big important for this light source. Have you seen this picture? Television. What is the ampere doing? He is checking the intensity of light by using some instrument. This instrument is photometer. Definition of luminous intensity: the measure of the power of the emitted light by a light source in a particular direction per unit solid angle is called as luminous intensity. The SI unit of luminous intensity is candela and is donated by CD. The light emitted from a common wax candela is approximately equal to 1 candela. Luminous intensity is measured by the photometer. Luminous intensity meter, which gives the luminous intensity in terms of candela directly. Luminous flux or luminous power is the measure of the preserved power of light. It is SI units lumen. 1 lumen is defined as the luminous flux of the light produced by the light source that emitted of 1 candela for luminous intensity over a solid angle 1 stratine. Apart from the 7 fundamental units, we have 2 more units known as derived units. We will study about them now. Next one, plane angle. Plane angle is the angle made at the intersection of two straight lines or intersection of two planes. இப்போ two straight lines or two planes, இதுக்குள்ள வந்து two planes இருக்கு, சரிங்களா? The SI unit of plane angle is radian and is denoted as rad. Denoted as rad. SI units is denoted as rad. Radiant is the angle of substance at the center of a circle. Center of the, this is circle, center of the circle, whose length is equal to the radius. Whose length to equal to the radius. Okay, see this figure. By radiant equal to 180 degree. By radiant equal to 180 degree. 1 radiant equal to 180 degree by pi. See the problem. Converted 60 degree into radiant. Solution, we know that 1 degree equal to pi by 180. 60 degree equal to pi by 180 degree into 60. 3 60s are 180. So by 3 radiant. இந்த சம் வந்து நமக்கு டிகிரியில் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. நம்ம ரேடியண்ட்டாக கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணணும். நெக்ஸ்ட் சம் பாருங்கள். கன்வெர்ட்டட் by 4 into degrees. by 4 into degrees. Solution, we know that by radiant equal to 180 degree. by 4 radiant equal to 180 bar 4 equal to 45 degree. Next one, solid angle is the angle formed by 3 or more planes intersecting at the common point. It can also be defined as angle formed at the vertex of the cone. The SI units of solid angle is steradian at is denoted as SR. Steradian at denoted as SR. Steradian is solid angle at the center of a sphere subtended by a portion whose surface area is equal to the square of the radius of sphere. Area of surface 1 meter squared. Steradian, 1 steradian and radius. Do you know, until 1995 plane angle and solid angle were classified under supplementary quantities. In 1995 they were shifted to derived quantities. Difference between plane angle and solid angle. First one, plane angle. It is the angle made at the point of intersection of two lines or planes. Intersection of two lines or planes. Solid angle, it is the angle by the intersection of 3 or more planes and common point. Next, it is two-dimensional. It is two-dimensional. It is three-dimensional. Its unit radiant. Its unit is steradian. Okay, குட்டீஸ், இதோட டுடே கிளாஸ் ஓவர். ஓகே, இது வரைக்கும் நம்ம என்னென்ன பார்த்துருக்கோன்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு ஸ்மால் ரீகேப். ஓகேவா? ஃபஸ்ட்டு நம்ம என்ன பார்த்தோம்? எலக்ட்ரிக் கரண்ட் பார்த்தோம். சரிங்களா? நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் அம்மீட்டர், அப்புறம் அமௌண்ட் ஆஃப் சப்ஸ்டன்ஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் luminous intensity, then photometer. Next one plane angle, then solid angle, last one difference. ஓகேவா? ஓகே குட்டீஸ், இப்போ நமக்கு இந்த லெசனில் ஹோம்ஒர்க் என்னென்னா திஸ் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் தான். All of you see table 1.2 page number 5. Read and write 2 times. Thank you students.